Hello everyone, welcome back to the final and last episode of Showcase with Aanchal Balaraj. It's quite a bitter feeling in here, but this is the last episode and we are going to feature Fab Finds, and since she's with me, she's going to be sharing her fabulous finds that are available in the Indian market. So to see what Aanchal's fabulous finds are, jump on it and let's get rolling. So Aanch, tell me what your favorite fabulous finds are.
Okay, so the first product that I want to start with is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Spray. I really love this because it's a very versatile product. It can be used as a moisturizer to hydrate the skin. It can be used to fix the makeup once it's done as a setting spray. It can be used to dilute pigments like eyeshadow pigments, and it can also be used to apply glitters. So this has multiple uses, and this is one product I cannot do without in my kit. And not only as a makeup artist, even for personal use, this is a lovely product to have. Even to keep in your handbag and take for vacations or when you're having a long day, and if your skin feels a little dry and dehydrated, just open it up and a few sprays and you feel rejuvenated again. And it's also available in multiple flavors and scents. So
flavors and scents.
Yeah.
Nice.
I really love this product.
Awesome. This is almost like the one with the black cow. I don't know what's the other alternative for this. I'm thinking that I use personally. Urban Decay All Nighter.
Urban Decay. So All Nighter is more for to make your makeup last all day, and it's a product more for oily skin types as well.
Got it.
This is also a very versatile product for most of the skin types. But if you have very oily skin, then I wouldn't suggest this because it'll kind of overhydrate and over moisten the skin.
Got it. Awesome. Moving on to the next one.
Yes. The next one would be the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask.
That we used in the previous video too.
Yes.
Right?
This is also one of my favorite products to use just before we start the makeup because it's really hydrating on the lips. And as we all know, all of us are really fond of the liquid lipsticks these days.
I know. It really dries your lips out, right?
It does, because it's a very mattifying product. So it's natural for it to, dehydrate your lip.
And there's no moisture.
There's no moisture. And then after some point, the lipstick starts feathering and cracking up.
Kind of cracks up your lips too.
Yes. So it becomes very important to, have a underlying hydrating lip mask. So you when we use this just before we start our makeup, it kind of really hydrates the lip, and then by the time we come to the lips, we're ready to go, and your lips stay supple and soft throughout the day.
Does this help in plumping your lips too? No.
I
know there are some products that do buxom, if I'm not wrong. I know does it.
Even lip injection from Too Faced, that also
it kind of
does the trick.
Yeah. Awesome. Moving on.
So then the next product that I really like is the Strobe Cream by MAC, and this particular shade called Gold Light is my personal favorite. One, because it really gives the nice dewy glow to the skin.
So you mix this with the foundation?
Yeah, you can mix this with the foundation and use it. Or you can mix it with your moisturizer and just use it with like a nice lipstick and mascara on a vacation by the beach. It just gives you that nice glow. Illuminating glow. And and you can also just use it on the high points of your cheeks and nose, and it really gives that nice golden glow to the face.
But is this a moisturizer? No,
this is not a moisturizer. This is not a skincare product, but this is more of
just an added.
Yes, it has a nice illuminating tint.
Got it.
So this is one of my favorite.
You can
products.
mix this even with your foundations, right?
Yeah, you can mix this with your foundation. You can mix it with your moisturizer, however you want it, or you can just use like a nice layer below your foundation as well.
Got it.
So moving on to the next one would be, when we talk about foundations, of late we know that people really like the dewy kind of finish, and in the Indian market there are a lot that I like the Too Faced and Fenty Beauty foundations are lovely.
Which is my favorite.
But when we talk about the Indian market, just to make it easy for our viewers, the Makeup Forever HD sticks are really nice because it gives the coverage that we're looking for. At the same time, it's not too mattifying. It still has that nice glossy glow to it.
Got it.
And at the same time, doesn't end up looking cakey once we set it.
So is this medium coverage or full coverage?
This is buildable. It's medium, but you can build it to a full coverage as well.
Got it.
And what I noticed after using Makeup Forever is your skin doesn't look cakey or made up. So it
gives you an all natural
feel. Yeah.
Awesome.
So it's lovely. It photographs well, and the longevity is good. It stays really well. Doesn't oxidize. So this is one of my favorite products as well. And then moving on to eyeshadow palettes, there's so many palettes in the market. But when we talk about the Indian market, there are many eyeshadow palettes, there are many brands, but I personally like the Huda Beauty series in whatever.
She's taken over the market, hasn't she?
I really love how she understands the need and just supplies exactly to the demand.
She's a boss lady, according to me, right?
She is. She's such an inspiration.
I know.
And she, like we know, she has so many palettes, right? But the Rose Gold Remastered is one of my favorite palettes, and this is the palette I suggest to most of my, one-on-one personal makeup students and family members as well. This mainly because it has all the shades. It has most of the, matte shades and the shimmer shades. So you can create a lot of looks, a lot of day looks, evening looks. It's a very versatile palette to have, and it's a must-have, I feel.
And it's almost like you can use it even on brides too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, like it's like a versatile thing even for the brides.
Yes, because it has a lot of golds and peaches and pinks, and it also has the matte shades to use for like daily makeup. So you can really create casual looks to very
glamorous looks
as well.
Awesome.
Just this one palette and you're good to go.
Does it all, right?
Yes. So moving on to the next one, blush. Peach is one color that I feel looks beautiful on Indian skin.
Really?
Yes.
I thought pinks mostly.
Yeah, pinks.
Like, the more pinkish, not the peaches side. You know what I'm saying?
Pinks don't look nice on everyone, but peach does look very pretty on most of the people.
Got it.
Especially if you're on the duskier side, pink it might not be the best option.
So you say use peach?
Peaches really suit. In my experience in 6 years, I've noticed that peach is a color that makes your skin look natural. It adds that natural, color to the cheek. And also, the end result doesn't look too overwhelming. Yeah.
Got it.
It looks natural and still pretty. So the Peaches blush from MAC is one of my favorite. I always find myself going back to the same blush, even though I've tried so many in the market. This is a nice product to have in the kit as well.
Awesome.
And coming to highlighters, I'm a huge fan of highlighters.
I know.
And to be very honest, like in the Indian market, there are two highlighters that I really like. But if I have to really, come down to one, the MAC Oh Darling. MAC Soft and Gentle also is beautiful. But the reason why I've picked Oh Darling here is Oh Darling is one color highlighter that goes with dusky skin as well as fair to medium skin.
It has a very copper undertone.
Yeah,
right?
it has like a goldish copper undertone. What happens is when you use the light gold kind of highlighters, it kind of looks ashy grey on
our skin type, right?
On the especially the duskier people. It looks pretty on the fairer tone, but not as good on the dusky people. So this is one highlighter that is not blinding also. So it's something that you can use during the day and the night, and it's buildable to whatever intensity you want, and it looks fabulous on all the skin tones. So
awesome.
Yeah, this is...
What is it called, you said?
It's called Oh Darling.
Awesome. Okay.
From MAC.
Got it.
Then the next one would be the Inglot number 77 gel liner. This product is something I think everybody who likes liner and kohl should have, because it's the darkest black that I've ever seen in any market internationally. And
this is easily available here?
It is.
Okay.
It is available here. And it's also, it lasts really long. You can even go for a swim and it just
won't
stays.
Come out?
Yes.
Oh my god.
And it's waterproof, and it just stays as is, as it is.
So this is almost like a must use on brides, right?
Yes.
Because they end up crying during...
Yes. And it's so richly pigmented. It really looks nice on the eyes.
Good to know.
It's the AMC 77 gel liner.
Awesome.
Yeah. And the next product that I want to talk about is the Benefit Goof Proof number 4 pencil.
Woohoo! Cannot live without it.
Yes. I really like this because it has, like, the two ends. It's so nice in terms of functionality. You don't have to carry a separate spoolie brush. Yeah. It just has it right behind. And I really like the shape of the pencil because it has like a pointed end.
It's a tapered
kind of a thing, so that you can really use it for the detailing wherever required. And they also have like a very huge line of a huge series of different shades to go with different nationalities. But for Indians, number 4 should work. It's one of the most versatile colors.
Number 4.
Yeah.
Got it.
Then the last product I want to talk about is this lip pencil by MAC. It's called Soar.
Everybody has this.
Yes.
It's like, everybody's makeup kit seems to have Soar.
Soar,
right?
yeah. This is one of the most versatile colors. Goes with almost all skin tones. Not only Indian, even Caucasian skin as well. And I really like it because it has like a nice pinkish brown nude undertone. So it really looks nice when even if whether you're doing nice loud eyes and you want to do a nude lip color, you just use this,
pop this in, and you're good to go.
And you want to put some gloss over or some other nude lipstick over, it just does the job. And during the day, if you want to look casual,
just use this by itself
and you're good to go. So this is one of my favorite products. So these are my 10 favorite products that I really like, and I feel like these are the must-haves in your kit.
That are also available in the Indian market, right? I think that's what makes the big difference. Yes. A lot of products that we own really sometimes are not, especially like you, right? You have a lot of products, but they're not available in the Indian market because you probably pick it outside when you travel or, all of that. And this really is available in the Indian market as of now.
Yes, you can find all of this on Nykaa, or you can even...
Nykaa is a good website to find all of this, right?
Yes, and you get the most authentic products. So
okay, that's good to know, because a lot of people don't know where to buy it from. That's another thing, because a lot of things are not available even in Sephora, right? I know MAC products are available in MAC, but there are certain products that are not available on in any online store or in Sephora for that matter.
Yes, and if you know your shade, you can just order it off the app and it's at your doorstep.
Yeah.
Easy, that easy.
Thank you so much, Anch, for sharing all your fabulous finds with us and making it easy for budding makeup artists as well as normal people to find products. And what are the must-haves is something that you shared with us, and thank you so much for it.
It was my pleasure.
I hope this video helped you find your fabulous finds in the Indian market. Aanchal did really help us out to put her favorites together, and I hope this video helped you as much as it helped me. As always, like, share, comment on the video, and if you're new here, please do not forget to hit on that red subscribe button. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.